We are in Suzaka, Nagano Prefecture, and we are at a famous hot springs onsen ryokan called Iwanoyu. Iwa means rock, Yu means hot water, although it's often associated with hot springs, onsen water. And we're staying here at a room called Momiji, and the room type is Sengotei. And it's not the top room category. We booked over the phone 8.5 months ago, and they only had one availability on one room of one day of the week that we really wanted to stay. And we called them 8.5 months in advance. So it is not easy. So this is a room type called Sengotei. And there's a higher room category called Senzantei, which has a separate living room and bedroom. Here, these are all Japanese style accommodations here at Iwanoyu. So this is the place where you pass the time. And then, so this is kind of a Japanese, style tatami floored room. Over here, it's interesting that it is a kind of a more of a Western style look. You can have the tea area, mini bar, various snacks available. So the interesting thing is, so this place is very well known for its onsen, the hot springs, but the rooms are not what people come here for. It's the hot springs. So I'll show you in a minute. The rooms, not a single room, even the top category rooms, have have onsen in the rooms. In fact, there is a bath in the top category room, but there are just hot water. So there's clothing, there's a bag to bring your belongings. To the right is yukata, to the left is samui, which are more kind of casual loungewear. This is for women. What's down here? Some more, just in various sizes. And so really what you have is just a bath toilet and a shower area. So this is the toilet. Okay, turn around. And this is the single sink wash basin. And then this is the shower. You can see the shower door is kind of these cheap, old school style doors. You have the basic amenities, looks like. And so really what you have is, the accommodations are nothing to write home about. We're gonna go check out the onsen. There's a communal, gender segregated indoor and outdoor bath, but they also have a gender combo bath, I guess, where you could actually wear a cover up. They supply it, and it's in a cave. It's a natural cave, and of all the baths, they're all straight from the source, hot springs, but there it's closest to where the source is, and some of the hot springs even come out from in between the rocks in the ground of the cave. So there, the males and females, they can be in together, which is fun for family and couples. And then there's 4 rental baths, which it's first come first serve, and If it's available, it's available, and you can go in. If it's not, then it'll show occupied on the outside of the door if you lock it. Except that the 4 top category rooms, the Senzantei style, have their own private bath rental, which supposedly is superior to the rental baths available to us plebs. Anyway, so we'll see how the onsen is. Meals are all in a private dining room, which is kind of nice. And, we'll see how that is as well. Now, so yes, the accommodations are very humble, but, it's not priced at a luxury level that you'll find in places like Hakone or Nikko. So this is, as of time of this writing, it's about 40,000 yen per person per night, half board, so breakfast and dinner. Not too bad. So we'll see how the rest of the stay is. See you later.